Hi friends, this video is about nursing research. Importance of research in nursing is to provide evidence-based nursing care. Facts that are generally accepted as true or correct are known as assumptions. Next one, hypothesis. Hypothesis means it is a statement of the expected outcome of the research study. Characteristics of well-stated hypothesis. First one, a hypothesis is directly related to the research problem. Second one, it states a relationship between variables and the hypothesis should be testable. The weakness of the entire research study is known as limitations. Sample in a research is referred as representative of population. Characteristics or attributes under study are called as variables. Case study. An investigation is done in depth to find out large variety of information is known as case study. Pilot study. Researcher carry out a pilot study to confirm the feasibility of the study. Next one, stages of research process. There are 7 stages. First one, defining the subject and purpose of the inquiry. Second, review of literature. Third, planning the method of investigation. Fourth, pilot study. Fifth, data collection. Then data analysis. And next, making conclusions and recommendations. Next, elements of experimentation. Manipulation, control, random assignment and random selection. These are the basic elements of experimentation. Manipulation means something purposefully changed by the researcher in the environment. Control is used to prevent outside factors from influencing the study outcome. True experimental design. True experimental design is used to establish cause and effect relationship. It should meet 3 criteria: manipulation, control and randomization. Manipulation means control of the independent variable by the researcher. Control means the use of control group and extraneous variable on the dependent variable. Randomization means every subject get equal chance. Basic components of true experiment. Components are pre-test and post-test, control group and experimental group.